So either way, we're gonna go to our side hustle of the week um, now, which is going to kind of help supplement that. So if you figure out your costs and you're like, oh, this isn't as worth it as I thought it was, or isn't as profitable as I thought it was, or I'm running a little bit too much of a charity or something like that. Well,
Mhm.
side hustles are just that. They're hustles that you can get on. You can make it your plan B to into your plan A. There's a lot of different things. Um, so this is one of our highlighted side hustles for this week, which is online tutoring. And they're in demand, and they can actually pay up to $180 per hour. So there's a few different ways you can go, like Outschooled, Wisent, Lesson Face. So there's a couple of things there. So Outschool encourages teachers to develop an imaginative curriculum to teach anything from math to social skills. Teachers choose the duration of the course from one time to ongoing, from 25 minutes to more than an hour, as well as a preferred class size. So with popular courses, teachers can earn exceptionally good rates ranging from 50 to 100 an hour. Wayzen is sidehustle.com's top recommendation for tutoring platforms. What makes it stand apart is that it's well established and draws millions of visitors each month, which means you're more likely to find clients. Tutors set their own availability and rates, with those teaching popular subjects as English and history, making those less, typically making less than those teaching more. And then Lesson Face is a tutoring site for those who specialize in music, though it does also have language and visual arts components. So Italian and painting lessons, for example, for music teachers, it's not only offers a wide variety of types of instruments that you can teach, it has global reach. So instead of having to put guitar lessons up at the local store, now you can actually find a way to teach people globally. And it also charges tutors extremely low commissions, which means you keep more of the rate that you set. One Sax teacher is on the site and is charging $40 for a 30-minute class. So there are a lot of different ways that you can, but if you have great knowledge in something and you can pass it along to somebody, or if it's in demand, you know, having some sort of tutoring available where you are the teacher and you have students, that can be a potential way where you can make money. And guess what? Cost for that is a lot less because you're not going on a per mile basis. So you're not running your car, you're not running all that. And it's just different options. So
Yeah, I mean, this one, by the way, is one of the top side hustles for the fact that, we had the pandemic for 2 years, no kids went to school, right? And in the LAUSD system, a lot of kids are needing tutoring because they were out of school and, they fell behind. A lot of students fell behind. So this is really, really a hot side hustle right now. If you have knowledge of math, if you're good at math, look, you don't have to be a teacher to do this. You just try it out and sign on with these companies and help sell some kids out. I think, again and again, know your cost. On this one, I think your cost is zero, other than if you have to drive somewhere to the kid's house to teach them. You can do it
your
online
co-
as
your
well.
your costs that would be associated with this would be internet, cell
Yep.
phone,
Yep.
and then your computer, electricity, I mean, home office or anything like that. And then if you're person who's actually doing like music, it would be your instruments, whatever's associated
Yep.
with that. So there's a lot of different things out there.
Yep.
I mean, if you're a photographer, you could probably go on here and teach photography.
Absolutely.
That's a little bit more hands-on for somebody who's really showing interest in that,
Absolutely.
versus going on YouTube or Skillshare or something. You can
Absolutely.
actually go one-on-one. So there's a lot more than just the traditional.
Absolutely.
So this is something that's kind of a cool little thing there. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.